Okay, we have our holes for our eyes drilled, and we're going to be using these acrylic eyes. This is the same size as this here. That's got to go in there. So if you can see, we've got this drilled out in here. Well, we got to take it down so we get the eye to come out some. So we're going to take this out in here, and we'll open this up so we get the eyes to fit the way we want them to fit. These eyes are 1 inch, so you can see that if we stay inside our line there, the eye will sit in there good and won't fall all the way through. So we're going to work on opening that up. We'll take our little sanding disc here and we'll open it up some. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. See how we've got this opened up more? So what we have to do is we have to go to the inside, and we've got to take this out in the inside so the eye will fit down in there. So we're going to get that shaped and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.